Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can rename your designs and projects on Figma for better organizing. So let us get started right away. Head over to your design or project on Figma. Let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. So there are basically two ways how you can rename your designs. The first option, guys, would be to simply click into Untitled or into the current name of your design here in the top left corner under that Figma icon here. Click into it with your left mouse, and after that delete that name and give your design a new name. So let me name it, for example, design 1 or something like that. Press enter, and that is going to rename your design. The second option, guys, would be to head back to your team overview. So make sure that you're logged into your Figma account, and here on the left side you will see your current team. You may switch between these by clicking on that arrow down icon or create a new one. So let me go with that team here, and here to the right you will see all of your team projects. So if you'd like to get a better overview, head over to all projects, and after that click into your team project and select your design with your right mouse. So as you can see, I already renamed this one here, so let me also retitle or rename this one. To do that, right click into it, select rename here, and give your design a name like design 2 in this case here. Press enter, and that is going to rename it. And that's how it works, guys. As you can see here at the top in these tabs, both designs have been renamed, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.